Buenas tardes, profesor. Yo les vengo a presentar mi tarea entregable número 2 de mi Family Works. Mi nombre es Javier Nicolta Pasco Benítez y les vengo a presentar el curso de inglés. My dad worked same fabric on her Victoria. Her comment itemized workshop or for they are very confident. They organize the fabrics they are sold on roll. My sister father my stepfather-in-law I consider him my father worked an industrial electricity. For wise his good is in my life box going to district to pick and day for the town. My brother 40 managed work institute as an usher for my child's for the two card since it finished her high school but the study one. My cousin worked as an ambulant merchant in the center of Lima. Her job consists several of merchants for Splendor House, cruises, bags, smiles for alcohol, and connects. My uncle worked in carpentry. It is his own voice. He mastered child towels, work complex, 30 wood stick, tail, eyes, resin, oils, and tie is what his uncle work consists. Y eso es todo, profesor. Muchas gracias por su atención. Translate.